Sito inasabangat tanza wusam na may sumito. So bangat tanza wunso. Muna may sumito tuti mo na bonsito mo soba yena. Sito mo soba yena. Bima betu mo isigi kese mazono. Serviça e mal uma cara bom com mazono no me camamo manquembo babingi va vanga vo mambo ma katika bila mwana ya kala masiko Wanata muntonka kamuvumu kyandi dabaza viba
Oh habaka bantu bole minzambi rokena Fwete yanga la Umbelolo na munjatulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudiang kentu sudiang zambi tutanga beto kuna kuma Congo Bungong kentu lianga falanga piabiozo Fulame holo yeah Kemo kwa mfumo Manamboka kunana roto emuko muta mfumure kayo yo tubutukanga Ngana yo, je vous entends pas.
tubutukanga
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
tubutukanga
La la la. Et bello mame, olo zankento gogo.
tubutukanga
Ngarale maloro, lili obolongo tubo.
tubutukanga
Tutakanga yo,
tubutukanga
alaya jorodo.
tubutukanga
régulièrement.
Zebele nzungane nje chimuna muna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni mina kechilombo mona. Oko mani mashimbi di bina kechilombo shimba. Beni twali mweni mina kechilombo mona. Zebelen tungane nje chimuna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni muna kechilombo mona. Oko mani mashimbi di muna kechilombo shimba. Eni twani himweni muna kechilombo mona. Mtotonjo anelewe kana mabanga choma mingime. Sambu bya banga chobya bingipye. Akanda manza yichoma mingime. Totonjo anelewe akanda mabanga choma mingime. Sambu bya banga chobya bingipye. Akanda manza yichoma mingime. Jedi banza munzai nimeno kakakwana tekela. Jedi banza nzai sambu. Jedi banza tizuri nizonza nijokwe kwa konsono. Jedi banza timekwa ndiye mputu shomo nzai babingi be. Mtoto njo anelewe kana mabanga choma mingime. Sambu bya banga chobya bingipye. Akanda manza yichoma mingime. Toto njo anelewe akanda mabanga choma mingime. Sambu bya banga chobya bingipye. Akanda manza yichoma mingime. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kuntima. Bwabunzebi. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kuntima. Mingi mweni timani uchunini. Chana nzaka kwazi bele wo mtungamane zebambo wa chaluwa. Mingi mweni chimani utsunini. Chana taka kwazi bele wo mtungamane zebambo wa chaluwa. Mingi mwenye oh mikutudiki. Chimani wo kwinzange. Every week more bandu. Subla meso tala domi yokane. Simani wako nsolo kengele. Wako nenzala wako mbandwe. Wako ndile. Simoni lume kwa. Kami ngumi konga. Every week
prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant.
C'est le sambou.
Le sambou, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambi Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Yalulendo, yalulendo, vanatunu, yalulendo, yalulendo, fumu, vanatunu, yalulendo, yalulendo, vanatunu. Yalulendo, fumu, vanatunu. Tata wekuzu, umbaku yesembe, wajambi dikandi tesala okoma. Fumu yalulendo, gebidi bia biosono, wajambi dikandi tesala okoma. Bantu be munzayi eberi wasara bozo bayami dikani besara okoma ko
Zambe yokongo la kosambela mozani siwa dikolona se Kembo Kembo na kombo na yo mozali siwa bikela monyonso
yalulendo vanatunu yalulendo fumu vanatunu. Pasi mukota diosulu bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilulu byaosono bilingana ngewasala byo waiyambirikandi yasala mokomaku vavatoto ngepi vamapiwa vala bifweji itama batupeva bosoro vana pekibelo kyokyasungama kuna zulu yekutoto kumbwaku yazanguka waiyambirikandi yasala mokomaku yalulendo vanatunu yalulendo fumu vanatunu yalulendo vanatunu yalulendo tap yalulelo
Non. Le grand mix.
More roofs to repair, more houses to clean, more boilers to fix. When it comes to your business, you can always do with a little bit more.
Yambote.
Yambote.
Oh, sorry. Let me say hello. Gizambote, if you are watching, we thank you. This is Congo class. We're here every Sunday, 5 to 6 London time. Tutondele. We are sorry we are late today. Okay, let's share. I think that Ale should be here. Let me share my file. Noma Bimbi, Data David.
Lunama Vimpi.
Diambote. Tutondele. Someone was about to join us. Let me check if they're coming. Forgive me, I'm sorry. Someone want to join us. Sorry. Tata Alain, he said, he should be here. He said that he's coming. He'll be late. Okay, let me share. Okay, is there? Oh, let's see. Kiambote tata, mnengwa, katuzeko bonengwa. Katuzeko, tutondele. Let me say it again. If you're watching, thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon. Where else? That's the name what I do.
The Republic of Congo and the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Well,
the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Yeah, two-toned. The big Congo and the small one.
Yeah.
Two-toned. We're going back to our lesson. More on bridging, yes. Oyabesinga is a pattern. Oyabesinga. Yes. Oh. Okay, this computer strange freezing. Okay, Oya Obesinga. Remember, either way, Oyao, Obao, or even dropping the prefix. Because B and Y is a prefix. We can drop them. We could just say Au. I mean, when I say you could, I mean different region. In my area, Zombo area, you could say Au. Another area they say Bao. Different area Yao. Yes, that's David. I'm gonna tell you.
Mhm.
Yeah, this languages you better than you know better you know better than I. Language like this. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, Obesinga ver. Anyway, as a learner. I mean, when you're learning, sorry, you want to adopt to go for the shortcut, as long as it's safe. Yes, because shortcut is not always safe. Cut is not safe. Okay. How easier because remember we have ame, aku, andi, eto, eno. Yes. If you just use au, eto, it's correct. O, yao, beto, same thing. Tuto, ndele. Then what tell you, can you read for us, please?
Oyao Besinga Vewa Lukwa.
Lukau,
Lukau.
Lukau, Lukau,
Lukau.
Lukau. That's why people, I wouldn't blame Dr. Hezokata, but that's why people write Lukau. You after K you put W and U. Yes, Lukau W Lukaw and U. That you know for sure that you won't miss it. Lukau. Mm. Can you say it again? Read it again. Then what I do? Oh yeah, Obesinga Vewa Lukau. Passive. Oh.
Okay. Oyao Besinga Vewa Lukau.
Lukau, yes. That David.
The same.
The answer, the second line,
Oh,
sorry.
the answer. Omono pe mzolele vewa lukao.
Thank you very much. Thank you both. Omonompe Nzolele Vewa Luka. Grammar here, the new word is mpe. Yes? Mpe. Mpe, me too. Oya besinga vewa lukao. That Nengotadiwa, you asking about third person, someone else. That's Tata David about someone else. Please.
Oyandi besinga vewa lukao.
Tata David, remember, let me just point it out again. It is Kikongo, Bantu language. We use personal pronoun twice. Here you change, you done well, yeah? Uyandi, third person, yeah? Uyandi. But here we need to change as well, see? Remember singer is your, remember singer in English is?
Will.
Will, yes. Your auxiliary, Tata Dev, yes? So, here B and E is your personal pronoun, yes? So you do it twice. You done well, that's good. Oh yeah, and did bad, you need to change it here as well.
Okay. Let's see, what would that second one be?
Oh yeah, and we're going for the third person. Oh yeah, and the third singular.
Let's see.
Yeah, you go ahead. Oh yeah, and
I know Oyandi in the beginning was right, but
then Osinga, yeah, and the Osinga.
Oyandi Osinga Vewa Lukau.
Correct. That name what I do, huh?
Oyau Kasinga vewa lukao.
Third person oyandi osinga, yes.
Oyandi osinga vewa lukao.
Yes. I'm sorry, someone urgency here. Yes. Apologies. Oyandi osinga vewa lukao. Oyandi osinga vewa lukao. Yes. Omonompe nzole vewa lukao. Maybe I tried to trick you there, Nengotadiwa. Use the second line asking question to Tata David.
Okay.
You change the first pronoun, the first pronoun. You change omono to him, to you, second singular.
Okay.
Remember, we are using personal pronoun twice. Go ahead.
Yes. Ongeyempe. Zolele uzolele vewa lukao.
Yes, I know your logic, yeah, right? In this case, say, ongeyempe zolele vewa lukao, eh? Lukao.
Then do I say
Yeah, you just drop the nasal. Just leave, keep the zolele. Ongeyempe zolele.
Okay. Ongeyempe uzolele vewa lukao.
Well done. Okay. Tata David, your answer will be in English, yes. Yes, I'm going to
Yes,
be given.
yes, I want to be given a gift.
Yes, but you in Kikongo.
Right, but it would be well, that would be the what's already here on the page. Omono be mzolele vewa lukao.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Thank you. Let us move to the next one. Oya obesinga kosoka vava. Remember, there's another vava. Vava here, vava. Then the other vava. Vava, vava, vava. Remember vava? The other one means to look for, to search. To look for, search. Okay, this one long vowel. Oya obesinga kosoka vava. Omonompenzo kosoka vava. Nengo tadiwa. First singular, first line, first singular. Then Tata Dev is going to reply. Third plural. Let me just try to repeat it. First singular. Did I say first singular? Yeah. Yes.
Yes, you said first singular.
Yeah, the first line for you, the first singular. Then Tata David answer will be third plural. Go ahead, Tata, please.
Okay. Omono isinga kosoka vava.
Isinga goes well done. Tata David, you're talking about third plural. Your answer is on the board.
Oh, yeah, that's the oyao. Oyao besinga kosoka vava.
Well done. Oyao besinga kosoka vava. Well done. You get that, Nengotadio?
Yes.
Okay, we just changed the first line. Tata David, second singular. Then Nengotadio, you're using same line. We change same line. We're using second plural. Tata David second singular. Nengotadio second plural. Tata David, please, over to you.
Um,
Basically, talking to someone. You.
right, sure, to you.
Yes.
Oyake Kisinga Jia Mbizi.
You're talking to someone. Ongeye.
Mm-hmm.
Ongeye. Carry on, Tata David. Ongeye. Yeah.
Ongeye Kisinga Jia Mbizi.
Remember, second plural is O. Osinga. Ongeye Osinga Diambizi. Ongeye Osinga. I know it's confusing. Osinga. You just change. I mean,
Right.
E.
So that's right. So that's
First person is
Osinga.
E. Isinga. First person is Isinga.
Mm-hmm.
But second and third is O. Osinga. Yeah. Is it okay, Tata David? Can you try it again, please?
Okay.
Ongeye Osinga Diambizi.
Ongeye Osinga Jia Mbizi.
Thank you very much. Then what I do, remember second plural? I think the line is not good. Then what I do, second plural.
Oyeno.
Well done.
Oyenompe. Oyenompe. Luzolele Diambizi.
Oh, bravo. Wow. Okay, change the second line. Good, good. Wow. Well done. Omono penzolele nge penzolele yandi pe yeno. Well done. Oh. Tata, did you get that? Because that name what I use this line for the plural. Oye nompe luzolele diambizi. We're changing. We're dropping nd. Yes.
Yes.
Let me try to say it again. We have pronoun twice, personal pronoun twice. We change this one, the first one, the second one. Okay. By the way, Tata David, first plural here. We're changing the first one and we're dropping nd. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Can you try that?
Right. So that becomes Luzolele.
And the first plural. You starting by changing the omono. First plural. Remember, first plural. There's a letter.
Oyetu.
Well done. Tempe.
Oyetumpe. Tuzolele Jia Mbizi.
Yes. Oya obesinga kota munzo. Remember when kota kunanzo, kota munanzo. Remember, I'm going to tell you the difference. Remember, when you say kuna, you are going to, you are far away. Muna, you're just around your compound. Yes. Oya obesinga kota munanzo. Omonompenzole kota munanzo. Tata David, if you could change the first one, first line, second plural. I mean, almost a repeat. It doesn't matter. It's good. We're learning. Second plural, please.
Yeah.
Always remember.
Oyetu Tusinga Kota Munanzo.
That's the first plural. Well done. First plural. Second plural.
Second plural. Oyeno.
Bravo.
Let's see. What would that be now?
Remember, first singular is two, and first plural is two. Second plural is lu.
Oyeno Lusinga Kota Munza.
Well done. Bravo. Yeah. Oyeno singa. First singular. Sorry, first plural.
Oye tompe tuzolele kota munanzo.
Oye tompe tuzolele kota munanzo. Well done. We have I'm not sure if you ever have time. Every Monday we have we call it in Kikongo I mean, Portuguese Kikongo. Basically, talk in Kimbuku. Kimbuku is a village in Damba. We just named. We have an hour. Just talk. Kikongo talk. Yes. No English, no Portuguese, no French. Every Monday from 7 to 8 London time. Pop up, you can pop up that name if you have time. Yes.
Okay.
Omonompe nzolele kwenda kumakazino. Okay, Tata, then you can read the first one as it is, then what to do the second one, please.
Okay. Oyao besinga kwenda kumakazino.
Makazino.
Yeah. Kumakazino.
Omonompe nzolele kwenda kumakazino.
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 Kumakazino. You know where the word comes from? I think I did explain last time.
Yes, it came from French. Magazine.
It is French. Magazine. They say magazine in French. Okay. Oya obesinga kwenda kumakazino. Omonompe nzolele kwenda kumakazino. David, let's do it again because we missed. I think we missed long vowel. Oya obesinga kwenda kumakazino.
Okay. Oya obesinga kwenda kumakazino.
Engotadiwa.
Omonompe nzolele kwenda kumakazino.
Okay. Well done. Then what did you ask Tata David? Are you going to the shops? The answer is there. Yeah, just use your imagination.
Okay. Tata David, ongeye osinga kwenda kumakazino.
Well done. Ongeye osinga kwenda kumakazino. Tata David, try to answer.
Omono kisinga kwenda kumakazino.
If you say yes, you drop the key. Yeah. Omono. Can you try it again? Okay. Let's do formally. Let's do. Let's start by saying hello. Yes. Hello. Then what again? Try again. Go back again. Go. The question. Same question, please.
Tata David, ongeye oza kwenda kumakazino.
And I would say
hello.
Hello. Omono isinga kwenda
kumakazino. Yeah, that's how I was trying to hand that. Yeah. As soon as put KI, you are going negative. See that, David?
Yeah, I see.
In French, they say double négation. In French, when you say, as soon as you start saying by je ne, we're expecting pas to come at the end. Je ne veux pas. I don't want. If you say, because it's positive, we're dropping the key, which is negative. Okay, by the way, let's do the negative now, as you are ready for the negative. Then I'll tell you if you could answer, ask the same question, please. Now, Tata David, remember you're going to ask, your answer will be negative.
Right.
The key thing in negative is your K.
And then ending with ko.
Well done, bravo, twins. K and ko. Let me just try to do that. Teddy, are you with me? Yes, Teddy.
Yes.
You're doing well, you know. That's why I urge you, if you can come on Monday. This is it. Remember, Professor Hazel Carter, what she said? She says that this course was designed for. Remember,
it was designed for you to speak Kikongo, not to.
Yeah, it is designed for you to speak. You can see it. Let me just try to do it. Kizo. That's how I'm going to say. But you're doing well in terms of grammar. We need to have another session. Just talk, speak. Kikongo is not. Since I started teaching Kikongo, I've discovered that Kikongo is not easy, no? I tell you, it's not easy to learn.
Yeah.
Let me just put you. Let's give you. Just pay attention to details. Kwenda. Okay, do online. Stay with me 1 second. Okay. Here, I'm just write something quickly, but you will discover something. You know about it, but just going to highlight something very important. Okay, let me just remove this one. Yes. Let me tell you. Attention to detail, please. Attention to detail. I feel you will understand now what I'm saying that. Yes. Dr. David, can you translate the first line, please? Kikwendako. Remember,
he's not going.
The verb is fine, but the pronoun, we get into that soon. Well done. Kikwenda. But remember, we've been using E for. I won't give you an answer. A pronoun, which one? I'm going to tell you, remember E? I'm talking Kikongo E.
It's for the first person.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, good translation. David again. Try.
So I'm not going.
Well done. Yes. The second one, I'm sure Nemo tell you know because you remember your second singular, yeah. Kukwendako. Nemo tell you a translation?
You are not going.
Yes. Tata David, the last one. Obvious.
He or she is not going.
Yes. See the pattern, Tata David.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Except
not a
that
linguist.
in the first person, we have only a short vowel for Kwenda, yes?
Sorry?
For the first person, we have only a short vowel for the verb Kwenda.
Yes.
For the others, we have a long vowel. Kwendako.
I'm sorry. No. Sorry, it's my mistake. They're all long vowels.
All of them should be the
They're
same.
all long
Yeah.
vowels.
Okay.
But I just want to get this one. Ki, ku, ka. Third. This is third. Always third. When I say always, I mean 97, 98%. Yes, because something. I mean, we need the linguist to come up with explanation. But these are our own observation. But anyway, it's safe. Kikwenda ko I, kwenda ko you, kakwenda ko him, her. Ka, third person, singular, in this case, must. But usually most of the cases is in the past. Are we okay?
Mm-hmm.
So.
Yes.
Yes. Tata, sorry, Tata David. I'm not coming. Kikongo, remember the word?
Kikwendako.
This is going. I'm not coming.
Oh, okay.
Begins with K as well, yeah.
Right.
KW as well. KWI. I'm sure you know that. Nengotadia, can you help us?
Quiz.
Oh, that's right.
Kikwizako, yes. Kikwizako. Yes. Well done. I think any question, we're stopping there. But you're doing well. This is Kikongo grammar. You are on safe ground. Yes. Any questions?
V.
V. Okay. Sorry? You're right. You're fine. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to confuse you. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Let me just try to answer someone's writing. I would like to learn, to learn. Okay. We are live every Sunday from 5 to 6 London time. Tutondele Nengwa Hope. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. We meet next time. Tutondele. You're busy on Monday, Nengwa. You can't make it.
Monday. Monday is difficult.
Very hard, yes?
Yeah, it's hard.
No, never mind. We try. We need to find a
We'll
way.
try. Maybe not this week Monday, but maybe next week Monday.
Yeah. Tutondele. Lwenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Tutondele. Bye.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongele meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kuru Bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikansi Congo diatumba Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kuru Bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikansi Congo diatumba
Parlare da una storia che sta gravando la mia memoria. Africa foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade.